In this video, we're gonna share with you the 3 KPIs you need to know for your short-term rental.
KPI number 1 you need to know, it is your occupancy rate. Let's do some math here. You have 30 nights in the month and you booked 15 paying reservations. You'd take those 30 nights divided by the 15 and you would be at 50% occupancy rate.
Okay, the other KPI that you have to know for your short-term rental is the average daily rate. How do we calculate it and why is it important? So with the Nets example, she sold at 50% occupancy, right? And let's say we brought in $3,000. So $3,000 divided by the number of nights you actually sold to your property, 50%, so 15 nights, equals $200 for your average daily rate. On average, for the occupancy, you sold at $200 a night.
All right, I'm gonna bring Sarah in to help me do this math for the Rev Par. Let's do this on our same numbers that we've been doing this whole video. Let's do it, Sarah.
Okay, all right, Nettie.
So our occupancy rate
is
50%.
What was our ADR?
Our average daily rate was 200. So now we're gonna figure out the Rev Par.
Okay, so you're gonna take $200,
Yep.
multiply it by 50%, so let's change it to a decimal.
Okay.
So 0.5.
Got it.
That equals what?
100.
$100 is your Rev Par. So whether or not your short-term rental is booked, we're saying that it should be at least $100 a night to get the number that we
Rev
need
Par.
to be a healthy business, essentially. But our average daily rate is $200.
So we're killing it.
Now all we need to do is work on upping our occupancy rate, and we're gonna be in great shape. All right, so now you know the 3 most important KPIs. What are they? One more time, Annette.
Your occupancy rate, your average daily rate, and your Rev Par. And here's the deal. You need to know your numbers. This is the most exciting part. This is why we're doing short-term rentals, right? For that overall revenue. So listen, take it slow, go month by month, but know your numbers.
Put these numbers in a spreadsheet. Just brain dump. Just figure them out. Say, okay, Sarah and Nat said to do this. Figure it out, put it in a spreadsheet, and then in the next video, we're gonna share with you what to do with these numbers.